Today we are on car wash point, ABC car wash. Here we need the membership, and I'm not sure we can buy for one time or not. I'm not sure. You need to check. And today I have the Spanky bank code, so I can wash with that. And need to fill the code here, and then gate will be open. We will go inside, so see the whole process in the video. Look of car before washing. We are entered in the car wash room with the code. So here we can see the auto machines. Nobody available here for guide us, so need to see the all signs and lights. Now you can see the process of car washing as you are watching in video. We have the 15-minute for car wash, and after washed my car, you can see tire is looking new.